I've been helping her out because, you know, she had a jewelry. Because they're all like, there's lots of bits and pieces, and you can fit this stuff. ，Yeah, that's I've seen those. You know, like at the sometimes you can get those surprisingly expensively at the jewelry stores. They have these big sales. You know, because they didn't get, you know, they bought a whole lot. You know, I just haven't.
好吃。
Hadn't seen the estate sale. Got up in time to go to one.
坐着。
When I see that, I need to.
因为放前面，你看我这样，你也让我这样。
Well, yeah, because there's a lot of people my age and older that have a lot of stuff that when they go, the kids have to decide, do we need 2 houses? No. So we need, and we don't want, and we don't want all the mom's stuff, you know. So we have to do it. So they separate. There's another thing. Here's the thrift store fire, open fire, because it's Laguna Beach, and there's not a lot of like poor people here that has a lot of all that donate. And a lot of the families after the estate sale, they take it all. It used to be that all the